Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk to you about the work that you should be doing this week. Before I get into it, I posted in the announcements the virtual office hours for this week, along with the link and the password to join. Remember, you don't have to come to them, but if you have a question or want to chat, those are 2 times. You can always email me, but I will be available during those 2 times through Zoom. Okay, so let's talk about the week ahead, and the week of March 30th to April 4th. There are a couple of different objectives for this week. The first is to continue working through our cause and effect paragraph. Under writing information, you will see a folder that is cause and effect paragraph, and your homework was to have your 2 brainstorms. The second one was the messy one. I have the assignment overview sheet that I passed out a couple of weeks ago in here. But you will be working on the graphic organizer. When you click on it and download it, it looks like this. Okay. What you're going to be doing is creating your topic sentence using the topic and the controlling idea, the so what, the what are you saying about your topic. And then you're putting your topic in the square. So I'm going to show you an example in just a short time. But whatever your topic is, the cause of blank or the effects of blank, will go in the middle here. Okay. There we go. Then you will have at least 3 causes or 3 effects. You can add a 4th one down here if you want. The categories that you created on your messy brainstorm will be in the circles. So if you have to add 1 or 2, go for it. And then all of the details from your messy brainstorm that you're going to use get put in here. Now remember, you have to think about what order are you going to put them in? Chronologically, first to last, or emphatically, strongest one last. And you'll lay them out on this graphic organizer. I have an example here to show you. So if I'm writing about the effects of winning the lottery, my topic sentence might be, while most people would celebrate the unexpected windfall, there are many negative effects of winning the lottery. And once I brainstormed all of mine, I came up with financial independence, relationship issues, and stress. Okay, and then here are the details that I am going to write about in my rough draft. This is what I want you to have done for the second class this week. So if you meet on Wednesday, have it done for Wednesday. If we meet on Thursday, have it done for Thursday. If you haven't gone through the first step of the brainstorming and the messy brainstorming, please do that first. The second assignment comes from the My Lab. You're going to be working through the Recognizing and Using Patterns of Organization module. We've talked about supporting details, major and minor, how to find them, how authors use them, and now you're going to be looking at the different patterns that authors organize their details by. For some reason, this time, order, process, and narration is funky. There's no overview available. Okay, I'm not sure entirely what that is. Okay. Do the best that you can. You are going to work through time, order, description, example, definition, division classification, compare, contrast, and cause and effect. Okay. I've streamlined it as much as I can, and what I'm going to do is take your average of your post tests for all 7 of these and give you 1 average. Okay, so it won't show up as 7 different grades in Blackboard. It will show up as 1 average grade for patterns of organization. Okay, I'm going to give you a week to get that done. So by Saturday, please have those completed, and I will upload your one average grade for that. Okay. So you're going to be working on your graphic of your cause and effect. You're going to be working on your patterns of organization module. And then the last objective for today is grammar, or for this week. So in our grammar module on my lab, let me get it pulled up here. And I'm in our handbook one. You're going to be working through the consistent verb tense and active voice. I do have a PowerPoint that gives a little bit more information in the course information grammar folder. Okay. There is a PowerPoint about verb tenses that you're welcome to look at, but you're going to be working through the consistent verb tense and active voice module. That's going to be due by Monday or Tuesday, depending on your class. Okay, so verb tense and active voice due either the 6th or the 7th, depending on your day that we meet. Okay. So you're going to be learning about past, present, future tense, perfect tenses, okay? And then what does it mean to write an active voice, which we've already talked about a little bit in class. So that is this week's goal. I might amend this to, no. That's what it is. So by Wednesday or Thursday, you know, you really want to have your graphic organizer completed. That should not take you long if you did the legwork already. Okay. By Saturday, you want to have the patterns of organization module completed. And then by next week, either Monday or Tuesday, you want to have this grammar, verb tense, and active voice done. This one is pretty straightforward. When we get to the next grammar one, the subject-verb agreement, I will do a lesson, a screen capture lesson on it, and I'll walk through a PowerPoint before I turn you loose. But I think the consistent verb tense and active voice is definitely doable on your own. If you have questions, you can jump on to this week's virtual office hours, or you can send me an email. Please double check your grades, make sure that is all current and correct. As I said, if you were able to join last week's virtual office hour, I have terrible internet connection, so sometimes things don't save correctly. So please feel free to, ask questions, call me out as needed. I hope we're all doing well. And, let me know if you need me. I will talk to you all soon.